what's up everyone? I'm Jason and I'm here again to give you another reaction of video about Manipur traditional dance. And this is a request by one of our brothers in Manipur, Northeast India, King Rice. So this is your request, brother or bro. Okay, so maybe this our brother he already watched my first reaction of video about traditional dance of Manipur, and that was the Maibi Jagoi. So today we're going to react again another traditional dance, and they call this Maibi Jagoi. So when I search in the YouTube, there's a lot of video there, but this video is my I choose it because I think this is gonna be more exciting to other video. So this is the title of the video: Maibi Jagoi AIM Festival 2021, organized by Academy of Indigenous Music AIM Bamun Kampu. Alright, so before we proceed to our reaction video, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video. So here we go guys, let's get now and watch this video. By the way, the uploader of this traditional dance is Shayam-chan Erengbam. That was so hard to pronounce your name. So let me know guys if I'm wrong to pronounce it. Okay, so this is it, the video guys. Oh, what a nice intro guys. Wow, she's so young to dance this kind of a traditional dance. Oh, that was so cute to watch it. Wow. Can you teach me, my little sister? Oh, I can't stand. Wow, unbelievable, young sister. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Just like this dance, just like a ritual dance. Why? Because she always doing this. Just like she always praying, just like that. Wow. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. I like it, your dance. Our little sister from Manipur. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have nothing to say about this little sister. Is that required guys that you need to be you need a long hair to dance like this? Because every time that I watch like this guys, I saw that the all ladies dancing like this, they're all long hair. So I just wanna ask if this is a required. Okay guys, so let me know, okay? You're so beautiful, sister. Oh my god. Oh. Teach me after you dance there. Oh, she have a flexible body. Wow. Oh, what's that? Oh, that was so fast. Oh, you need to follow the beat of the different. I think a different music instrument. Oh, yay! Oh, wow! Unbelievable performance, very impressive little sister from Manipur. Oh my goodness, at her age, she knows how to dance like this traditional dance. What do you call Maibi Jagoi? They said that these are a shamanic ritual dance performed by Maibis during Lai Haraoba ceremony, the forest for the deities, or for the forest deities of Manipuri. Okay, so am I right? This is a ritual dance. Okay, so oh my God, this little sister, they teach properly because she knows how to follow the beat of the different music instrument. I think this dance, you need to follow the beat, guys, or else the dance is not good to watch if you are take a mistake here. So you need to follow all the beat of the musical instrument. Oh, that was so very, very entertaining. Was this Manipur dance or traditional dance of Manipur? So thank you so much for for giving me a chance again to watch another traditional dance. Okay, so maybe there's some similarity with the Taugal Jagoi. So today only the young sister, the one who performed, and before the one who performed in the Taugal Jagoi is some teenager, some lady teenager and guy teenager there. So that was only the different, guys, but all dance just like similar. So if you agreed about my reaction, just comment down below, okay, and just let me know if I'm right or if I'm wrong. So don't be angry with me because that was only my opinion, that was only my reaction, okay? So thank you so much again, guys, for giving me a chance to react your traditional dance, okay? So before we end this reaction video, make sure that you're subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video here in my channel. See you on my next reaction of video. I love you all, guys. Especially from Manipur. I love you. And God bless you. Bye!